If you are somebody who finds it difficult creating professional glow lights in Photoshop, well, this template is for you. This effect helps you create neon or glow lights on anything. It works well on colored images as well as black and white. Well, if you ever thought of being creative with glow lights, then grab the template in the description, no password protected, and let's get started. Okay, so after downloading the file, we need to extract. So I'll select the zip file and then right click, choose extract here. It gets extracted, just a single file. Okay, Photoshop PSD. I'll double click on that. All right, so this is it. So it's just blank. Okay, you have it like this, but don't worry, all that you need to do is grab a brush tool. Okay, take the brush B on the keyboard and then start writing something. You see that the glow will come. Okay, now you may wonder, okay, this is red, I want to choose blue. Don't just come and drag it over here and then you still have red. Where you need to focus is the layers panel. So the first one is brush red, the layer. Okay, so we've brushed red, so we have brush blue, green, orange, pink, purple, yellow, and cyan. Okay, so if you want to brush blue, just select the blue layer and then start brushing. You brush blue. Okay, so let me undo that, and you can brush green. So you select the green layer, then you brush orange, you select orange layer, then you brush. You can increase the brush size, then you have it. Okay, so the next thing that comes into mind is, how am I going to use these on my manipulation, or let's say flyer or something? So it's very easy. Okay, so I have this flyer right here. You can check the channel for the tutorial on how to design this beautiful flyer. Okay, so in that tutorial, the end part, I directed you guys on how to add a glow effect right here. So we are going to add it. So let's go back to the template. Okay, so what color do you want to brush over here? We want blue. So in the template, we just have this brush blue right here. Okay, so click, select the layer, click, hold and drag outside, drag onto the document that you want to place it, then drop it. Okay, so we've dropped it here. This is the brush blue layer. So what we're going to do is very simple. You just, where you want to have the glow effect, you just drag over them and then you have your glow effect. But for here, I'm just going to focus on the shoes. Okay, so I will have glow here and then I will just glow them down here. Okay, so that's how I did this effect over here. Then you can take your time and add the glow over this edge. Okay, this tutorial sake, so as for the original flyer or the tutorial, I took my time and did that, so it was very nice. So that's it. So we add some glow effect over there. So this is just a sneaker shelf. Okay, I don't know, showcase or something. All right, so let's go to this effect right here, this image right here, and we want to add blue eyes or maybe glow it up. So but first of all, I will just grab the brush tool. Okay, so let's select white. Okay, I'll select white, and as for this image, it is not included, so please find an image. Okay, so I'll first of all brush the eyes white. It's not necessary, but I just want to have maybe a nice glow effect or something. So I'll select the green, okay, and drag and drop into this document on top. Then I will just brush green. Okay, and now you can see, very beautiful. You can just have your glows in here, glows in here. All right, so very simple, easy peasy. But one thing that you need to take note is, let me go to the template and drag blue, because I want to use blue, and drop. Okay, and you can drop as many colors as you want. So far as you just have to select the green, you brush, you select the blue, then you brush. Okay, so on blue. Okay, I'm going to, let me decrease the size also matters. So I'll have glow effects here, have some blue here, and then can have blue in here, right? Can have blue in here. So go ahead and use this in all your documents. If you are finding it glow light difficult, I mean creating glow lights difficult, you can just go ahead and use this very short video that I decided to share with you guys. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'm out. Peace.